Hey, good afternoon. Micromep here. Futures about to close in about 3 minutes. They close at 5 p.m. and they mark to market and they open again at 6 p.m. So we'll take a look at the after hour earnings. Great moves in some of the big stocks in the market. We have Google, Microsoft, Snapchat, and we'll take a look at what other ones are doing really well after the bell. Uh, let's take a look at the futures. 10-year up 47 at 470, up 5 bips. The dollar, let's take a look at what the dollar was doing on the day. Snapchat up big on the day. Dollar down 28 to 105.57. We have foreign currencies. Everything is up except the Mexican, the 6L, and the yen. Bitcoin up 1,000 to 65, well, 64,890. Oil up almost $1, almost at 84 soon. Uh, Brent up at over $1, 89.23. All the major indexes have had big turnarounds on the big components of the Nasdaq and S&P with the earnings out. Uh, S&P up 21 to 51.29. Gold up 6 to 23.45, and about $100 still off the high. Um, I didn't even look at the meats today. Meats, so feeders up $2 plus, hogs down $2, and cattle up $2. So your beef up and your pork down on the protein market. Small caps down 15 to under 2 grand to 1991. Um, we have the Nasdaq rallying up 150 to 17,813, and the Dow Jones was at one point I think down 600. It cut that in half. It might have been I saw it like at 500. It might have been 600. Not sure, but I know it got cut it basically in half, down 338. Drinking some coconut water, has a lot of potassium, vitamins, and minerals. Don't know how many steps got it in today. A little bit slower on the car front today. I'm at 7,200 steps. I need about 3,000 more to do my 5 miles in the day, and did a little dumbbells and stuff like that. Doing an earlier video because I got to take the kiddo. She got practice today in soccer. Nat gas at 161, um, and that one's tricky. It's been down. Palladium and platinum still under 1,000. We did those charts yesterday on these metals. Uh, Silver 27.46 up 11 cents. The grains, corn up 3 cents, soybeans down 2 cents, and wheat up 7 cents to be over $6 a bushel it's at now. In the after hours, we have some big movers. So Roku, $62. Let's see what Roku's doing. Let's look at it live. Well, actually, let's pull up the chart here, guys. I did some YouTube shorts, trying to do everything I can possible to grow the channel. So I did some shorts on Google, um, Snapchat, and Microsoft. Did some YouTube shorts, um, trying to get the audience engaged and grow some of the channel. Get some subscribers. Thank you for all of you that watch and comment. 63 is the bid on Roku. Snapchat up to 1460, which I'm glad because I have I have an option in Snapchat 2 years out. I have the 17 call, and I think that Snapchat will eventually keep going up, especially with the TikTok ban if that gets implemented. And also, all these kids today, at least my daughter, and she's 17, all these kids are on Snapchat. I don't use it for nothing. I'm never there, but it seems like all the kids are on there. Um, so, Microsoft up to 417. I have a put credit spread here. I sold the 385, 380. So it was down today, but looking good 22 days out. Maybe I keep my credit in there and then put another trade in the future and then keep that credit. Google, unfortunately, I didn't have a position in Google. Shame on me. Um, I thought I did when we had the big sell-off. I didn't participate in them, but they didn't go much down with the other ones that did. But Google is at 180 almost. Let's take a look at what other ones are moving in the after hours. All right. Oh, that's pretty much it. Let's go to earnings. Then we could pull up this handy tool here and we could sort them by percentage, winners and gainers. So Hertz got slapped today, down 20% to 468. Let's see if Hertz can turn it around. They gotta right size the fleet and they gotta get rid of a lot of EVs, which have depreciated a lot because of Elon Musk cutting the price on them. Um, and people don't really like to be renting them to be charging them when they're on a trip. Harley Davidson down 15% to $33. Have to read about that, but I don't think your younger generation is into motorcycles. Maybe I'm wrong. I haven't looked at my YouTube shorts and not YouTube, but my YouTube studio analytics to see what my channel's demographics is. Maybe I should, but I don't really care. I do videos, and whoever wants to watch watches. Great, and if they can learn something, I'm gonna try and make this more of an educational and financial news channel. That's what I've always tried to do. But I don't think the younger generation is riding Harleys, and stock is down 15%. Uh, what else? Textron up down 10%, and they do helicopters or jets for the military. Boyd Gaming down 8%. That's like a casino deal. Dexcom, they do those patches for diabetes and stuff to monitor, down 8%. Bristol Myers Squibb down 8%. I think I did a trade in that one. Maybe I shouldn't have. We'll take a look. I wasn't very active today because we have a lot of earnings. So I haven't really done much. Don't want to get in front of the earnings train. Caterpillar down 7%. Southwestern Airlines down 7%. Intel down 6%. Wow, $32. That was in the 40s not too long ago. That's come down a lot. Let's see what other big names are out here. That's pretty much it. Let's see what your biggest winners are on the earnings front today. Snapchat of 29%. I'll take it because I'm long some leaps. I don't know who ULBI is, and I don't know who. Oh, Strategic Education. I think that's a school system. They have universities and stuff. Newmont Mining up 12%. Nice day for that miner. It's about time they get some respect. Good for Newmont. Google, we talked about up 11%. Sonic Automotive up 10%. Carrier up 9%. Tech, Copper Miner up 9%. Tao Education up 8%. I think they're a Chinese education group. Yeah. Skechers, I think they were up big in the after hours, up 7%. I don't like their sneakers. I'm a hookah, hoka, hoka guy, hookah, hoka, hika. Um, Deckers makes those shoes. Um, they're only $806 a share, only. So subscribe, like to find out how you can get into stocks that are $500 with $500 or less. Maybe they have spreads of $100, $250. Um, Boston Beer of 5%, and that's pretty much what we got going on in the after hours. Clack 685 of 4%. I don't think we have much tomorrow. In the morning we have, let's see, ExxonMobil and Chevron. So we got a couple big oil names tomorrow in the morning to set the tone for the sector. CNC, I think, is a healthcare provider. AON is another one. So we got a couple names tomorrow, but we basically the oil sector, the big oilies, but not a lot of not, everything's before the bell. It'd be crazy to do earnings on a Friday afternoon. So um, interesting turnaround. Let's see what we got next week. So that's it. Tomorrow will be a wrap, I guess. Tomorrow's Friday. Insane in the membrane. Tuesday, Starbucks. Wednesday, we have 260. So we got a lot of earnings still in the pipeline. Yeah. I still think we have Apple, Amazon. So we still got a lot of big players out there. I don't know when they report. I have to see. Today I got filled and GE had closed the broken wing butterfly for another credit. I did a little small trade in Bister Mayo Squib. I did a put credit spread in IBM Caterpillar, and I rolled my meta out because I had the 470, 465, and obviously meta destroyed that, went through it. I think meta was at 420 something when I looked at it this morning. So what I did was I gave myself some time and I rolled it out to 57 days out, and I collected another credit, and now I'm in the 435, 425 put credit spread. So if that's something you don't understand, you can chime in, and then maybe I could do a video on how to roll a position and defend it, and keep the dream alive, and get another credit on it. So that was not really active. One, two, three, four, five today, but we're in the thick of things with earnings. Um, and this is the Tasty Trade platform, and the other one's the uh, Thinkorswim. And this is Stock Tweets, just a little handy website that's pretty cool that I enjoy. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up. Did some shorts, did a little market recap. Let's see how the market opens at 6 p.m. Maybe I'll do another short later tonight on the futures. Hope you have a lovely evening. Take care. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.